back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you different turban slash scarf slash different turban hairstyles. Also, if you want to see exactly how it is I accomplish these styles, please keep on watching. So let's take this off. Now, to start things off, I always wear a wig cap underneath my scarves. And this is not an infinity scarf. This is just a regular old scarf that I folded in half, as you can see. This part of the scarf is going to be facing the back. Making sure you can see my edges. And I always make sure to pull this part in with the scarf, so when I start twisting, there isn't that ugly indentation right here. It's okay if you can see the wig cap while you're twisting. It's gonna be covered up by the big old knot. And once we get towards the end, I don't twist it as tightly. I'm gonna make sure to tuck it in itself, and these little flyaway things, I make sure to tuck those in as well. And I like for my ears to be in the scarf. If you don't want them, just flop them out, but I like it when it's in the scarf. Hairstyle number 2. Second hairstyle is basically this hairstyle, but to the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that. Leave this part in the front. And this time I'm making sure to cover up my wig cap completely. This is the back. Now the last and final hairstyle, I'm not gonna unravel this all the way, I'm gonna unravel it halfway. Just like so. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that's the last style. And that's it, you guys, for my turban slash wrap slash scarf styles. There were only 3 of them, but these are the only 3 that I tend to go to. I know there's plenty more other styles out there, but these are the ones that I tend to do the most. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. And for love and makeup and all things girly, please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys. And the scarf, I don't remember where I got it. It was either Walmart or Target. One of those.